Hello, 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 Kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hey guys. Hello. So you can see my face is bare. That means wash your face. You're gonna need to wash your face if you're doing your lashes. You can definitely moisturize your face. Just make sure you're not putting anything around your eyeballs. And we'll get into it. I'm using the dark adhesive. This is the Adele Individual Starter Kit package. So there's the clear and there is the remover. I used an array of different lashes. I really liked the double up lashes. Those are the wispy double up lashes and they come in the long length. So all of those are long length. This is a classic and those are also double up. So I actually got two double up. I got one that's wispy and one that's just regular, and I actually mixed those. Here I'm showing you I got an extra lash remover, and up close this is just going to be what I have left of a packet that I already opened of the glue and the remover. Enjoy the tweezer up close. The pointiness, it's just trying to show you. Okay, so here I'm just showing you what my natural lashes look like up close. Can't really tell how long they are from this angle, but they're pretty full. So for the video, I wanted you guys to be able to watch me actually apply the lash.
Probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you.
So I started to apply the lash from the outer corner of my eye and work my way towards the inner corner of my eye. That way you could see me actually applying the lash to my lash.
I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do.
Here I'm showing you what the glue looks like. So this is how much glue I use.
You would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient.
Here I'm just gently, carefully, slowly taking my time to place that right on top of my lash. And you can see how that's sitting. It's not moving. Yes, darling, we're getting the hang of it. Yes, darling. So I like to do this to the glue just so that way I can get all of it to the top, so it's easier for me to actually put the glue on the lash. And yeah, I'm just gonna put some cute music on and you guys can watch me do this.
I'm talking nervous but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you.
Here I'm just showing you how I actually pull the lash from the packaging. I make sure that I pinch all the lashes towards the end and when I'm applying. So the way you actually want to apply the lash to the individual lash to your lash is by just making sure that it actually goes with the way that your lash is actually growing. So you want to get that as flat on your actual lash as possible. So you want to make sure that the natural curve of your lash and the individual lash they're going in the same direction.
Give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating.
Here I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to be using the shorter lashes that I showed in the beginning of the video towards the inner of my inner eye corner. And yeah, I'll do that with both eyes.
That's the last thing that I could do. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last.
Hi Kindred fam! So as you can see, these are the individual lashes. They look amazing. One thing to tell yourself when you're doing this for the first time is that you can do it. Make sure that you take your time. I think the very first time that I actually did it, it took me about 2 hours. So just tell yourself that you can do it. It's not going to be your best product your very first time, but it will turn out really good. Yeah, take your time. I would say it's easier for me to work with the lashes when the glue is not really super tacky. So like right after I dip it into the glue, I would probably wait like 2 seconds before I start applying it to my lash line. And you can literally make them as thick as you want, just depending on the lashes that you get. And usually when you go to a lash tech, they go through your eyes in layers. When I do them individually with these packets from Adele, I only do the top layer and then I'll just stack layers to make them more full. So that's what I did, and I think it came out really good. So if you guys like it and you want to do it yourself, just watch the video and tell yourself that you can do it and help yourself. Just watch the video and help yourself. But seriously, you can definitely do this. I got this from Sally's. You can get it from Walmart. You can get it from Sally's. I'm pretty sure you can probably get it from Target. Probably get it from Walgreens, CVS, I'm not sure. Pretty much anywhere they have lashes, but definitely at Sally's, and for sure at Walmart. I would recommend the black glue because 1, it helps blend with your lashes, and 2, I've also noticed that the black glue does not harden like the clear glue. It's a little bit more flexible and pliable on your lashes, so that's definitely a plus. You can absolutely use the clear glue. It's definitely a preference. I prefer the black glue from what I was using prior. So yeah, this is a finished look. If you like it, go ahead and try it. Tell me how it came out in the comments below. And if you also like my hair, there's a video on how I did my hair as well. So go check that out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.